we have drawn the kind attention of Rashtrapati Ji to recent critical developments which have seriously undermined the accepted norms of governance and institutional integrity. The environment of fear and insecurity is prevailing in the country, and voices of dissent are being muzzled. In democracy, rule of law must prevail, but self-styled lumpen elements have indulged in violence, mob lynching of citizens, and harassment is being witnessed across the country. In the state of Rajasthan at Alwar, Jharkhand, number of incidents have taken place. In Vijaypara, Gujarat, Una in Gujarat, Dadri in UP, and Udhampur in Jammu and Kashmir, and many more such places across the country. The critical appointments have been made arbitrarily, bypassing the parliament and other institutions. Key bills are being disguised as money bills to bypass and undermine the constitutional position of Rajya Sabha. Non-BJP ruled states are being destabilized by misusing the powers of the governor, and artificial majority is cobbled up by unethical means, the recent examples being Goa and Manipur state. Malfunctioning and alleged tampering of EVM machines reported recently have raised questions on the sanctity of electoral process, particularly recently concluded elections. In this regard, the opposition parties met election commission, and they have taken note of it and have also promised us to hold all-party meeting in this regard. There has been an attack on autonomy of cultural, academic and historical institutions, universities, Nalanda University, and in particular the Nehru Memorial Museum and Division. There is a continued violence and failure of governance in Jammu Kashmir is a matter of grave national concern. We have requested Honorable President for urgent intervention to protect India's constitutional democracy and safeguard fundamental rights of the citizens to ensure rule of law in this country.
CBI is going to miss it.
And as the CBI, all central agencies, income tax, ED is being used to harass the opposition parties, leaders of political parties, particularly the chief ministers. And there has never been such a harassment of political parties and leaders and the chief minister of opposition parties like this has been happening for the last 3 years.